I seen that there was a upcoming photo contest, and the contest was portraits. So then I thought it'd be kind of cool to make some portrait shots in a cave. So then I asked Jenna if she would mind helping me out with this. She said happily. I figured that I should probably find a tight cave to give it more of the scary effect. And I did. So this is what we came up with. Up there. There's the entrance.
Up there, right?
See the entrance? That's it.
No.
That's your entrance.
That's very small.
I told you. Doesn't get much.
Are we sure this is a cave?
It doesn't get much bigger once you get in there either. There's nowhere you can stand up, and there's probably when you just get there, it's going to be the only spot you're going to be able to kneel up. But that's it.
I'm not complaining.
Well, you were. You just said that I'm not going to do it. I'm not doing it.
That's not complaining. That's setting a boundary, Stu.
Boundaries.
Don't want to go in the hole.
It's not very far. Just getting there and getting through it.
Oh my lord, that is so narrow. I don't know about that.
Yeah, it gets tight, eh? You're going in backwards?
Yep.
Okay.
I actually don't know if my butt's gonna fit through here, to be honest.
That's funny.
Yeah, it literally won't go any further. Sorry.
That's cool.
That's
cool.
it. It's as good as you get.
Are you comfortable somewhat? I can take photos?
Yeah, just 1 second.
Yeah, turn that down. Yeah, I'm videoing you.
Yeah, I videoed you going in.
Oh, did ya?
Yeah.
She's out.
I'm free. Thought that was our new home.
Yeah, really. Good girl. High five it.